Presenting the OnePlus 65 inches U-Series 4K LED Smart Android TV in the color black. The TV comes in three size variants of 50 inches, 55 inches and 65 inches. With a 4K Ultra HD resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and 60 Hz of refresh rate, this LED TV produces stunning and highly detailed pictures and gives a lifelike viewing experience. This OnePlus TV sports a bezel-less design and has 95.7% screen-to-body ratio that eliminates all sorts of distractions. The TV is HDR10 and HDR10 Plus certified and comes with a lot of video-enhancing features like Gamma Engine, HLG and MEMC. The TV has a maximum operating distance of 9 feet. The OnePlus TV runs on Android OS and comes equipped with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. It also brings a number of smart features like hands-free voice control with Speak Now, Google Assistant support, OnePlus Connect 2.0, Oxygen Play 2.0, Data Saver Plus, Kids Mode and Game Mode. The TV has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 5.0 and Ethernet connectivity and comes with 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. This OnePlus TV comes equipped with a powerful 30 watts speaker setup co-tuned with Dynaudio and Dolby Audio for enhanced audio output. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.